Where's Miss Piggy?
Probably better dive.
Where's Miss Piggy? I thought Miss Piggy was here where the water was.
That was in,
No?
Oh wait, yeah, she was.
Yeah, she was.
No, Dad's right. She was? Yes. Because they changed it to Ratatouille.
They took Miss
so
Piggy out.
They swapped it though because it's not this scene anymore.
Right. They took all the Muppets characters out.
Like a Muppet thing.
Yeah. This might still be 3D.
It might.
Yeah.
Switched it out quite yet. I'll have to find out.
And so I'm kind of looking forward to it to being not 3D.
I don't even think about
Oh, this is funny. $16.99. Oh, that's a good one. That's funny, actually.
My daughter would beg to differ. Bon appetit. I love it.
Huh? Something with strawberry.
There's a lightning lane. I see single items. Standbys, all like
What? Hello.
Broadway's really turning into something. How many? 4. I'll be right back.
Well, there's no need for it. They've got screens now that are catering to field presence. You don't need it. I'm giving you my deal.
the bar for me, please? Perfect. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you.
You wearing your 3D?
I haven't.
Oh, you're not gonna wear them?
If I want to.
Alright, well, if you don't wear them, then give them to me.
Here, you can use them on the filming if you want to.
Spare.
Voilà, venez, 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 suivez-moi, je vous prie. Chef Remy is waiting for you. This way. Qu'attendez-vous? Oh, ils est hors, des invités pour le dîner.
Here! Hein? Pour le repas idéal. En commun? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
What?
Mais oui, that's it! Poussez-vous de là! Cette nourriture est pour nos invités, pas pour vous. Hey guys, the food is for them, not you. L'ego est en salle. Hey, what are you doing? Que manigancez-vous? bientôt et bon appétit. Et Mino. Au revoir.
Wherever you like this way, you are always welcome at Bistro Chez Remy.
They make you what? Dizzy. I close my eyes for longer. That's why I yelled to you. They're going to tip you down and they're going to make you feel like you're going to float downward. I close my eyes right now.